Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss expelling toxin in spleen and stomach. The scraping methods for expelling toxin in the spleen and the stomach. The areas to be scraped are in the corresponding area of the spleen and the stomach on the spine, the projection area of the spleen and the stomach on the body surface, the Yang Ming stomach meridian of the foot in the lower limbs, the Susan Lee point or stomach 36, and the Feng Long point, the stomach 40. Next is the Tai Yin spleen meridian of the foot in the lower limbs, the Yin Ling Quan point or spleen 9, the San Jin Jiao point or spleen 6. Next is the reflection on area of the stomach in the sole, the reflection area of the spleen in the sole, the reflection area of the small intestine in the sole, and the reflection area of the large intestine in the sole. Next is the reflection area of the stomach in the palm, and the reflection area of the large intestine in the palm, the reflection area of the spleen in the palm, and the reflection area of the small intestine in the palm. Methods of scraping. First, use the surface scraping to scrape the corresponding area of the spleen and the stomach on the spine from top to bottom. Second, use the surface scraping to scrape the projection area of the spleen and the stomach on the body surface from top to bottom. Third, use the flat pressing and kneading to press and knead the reflection areas of the spleen, the stomach, and the small intestine and the large intestine in palm. The fourth is use the surface scraping to scrape the Yin Ling Quan point to San Yin Jian point along the spleen meridian, and from the Susan Lee point to Feng Long point along the stomach meridian in the lower limbs. The fifth is use the flat pressing and kneading to press and knead the reflection area of the spleen, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine in sole. Tips for Chinese medicine. The period between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. in the morning is the time when the energy of the stomach meridian is in prime, while the period between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. is the time when the energy of the spleen meridian is in the prime. The stomach absorbs water, grains for digestion, while the spleen turns them into vital energy and blood and conveys them all over the body. So the period between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. is the best time for breakfast. A timely and nice breakfast serves to smooth the generation and circulation of the vital energy and blood. Thank you for your attention.